The 2011 Mazda 3. A 2010 Car and Driver's 10 Best Award winner, the Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, airbags, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, alloy wheels, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, cruise control, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, child safety rear door locks, bucket seats, power door locks, power windows, fog lights, MP3 playback stereo, carpeting. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.